Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn off notification in DuckduckGo application on Android device. Well, knowing how to turn off notifications in this application can be beneficial for managing your digital well-being and reducing distractions. So, by disabling notifications, you can prevent the application from interrupting you with alerts, allowing you to focus on other tasks without constant interruptions. So, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open DuckduckGo application. Okay, for the next step, click the three dots here, and then you can select Settings option. Well, and now look for permissions, tap on the option, and then in this page, select Notification. After that, turn it off like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off notification in the DuckduckGo application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.